Ketenat kokot kekhia ke Sarkar India lingba u Director General of Health Services DGHS u Dr. Atul Goyal kala kentui ki brio bekim dai ban syapti yang halor ke jing sapriang jong Khñiang Jingpang human metapneumovirus HMPV balas dang dari China. Dah ba ai jing mod ba om dai ban ken sting bat syem ya ki lat jing da ula ong bakam dan ai ban sngo tieng ya ke jinglong jingman ka ba menta ula benrap ba om pat don ke jing sumar ka ba kerpang na ka bentau Khñiang Jingpang HMPV bat kumta ke jing da ka long ka ba kongsan ban te la kam ya ke jing sapriang jong u kila dan ki Khubor ki balayat keleng sapang ke jingpor jong Khñiang Jingpang ha China bat kumta u Dr. Goyal ulaong bau Khñiang Jingpang ulong kum ki wei pat ki Khñiang Jingpang bakta ha ka ring mensiem bat penhiar mensiem ki ba penmi ya ke Jingpang krian bat ha ki balat temen bah bat ki badang red ula ban penmi ya ke Jingpang klam kum ki dak Jingpang Ketenat kokot kekhia kala kentu ya ki brio ban penan kam da ke janyat keti ki bakhoj bat di ya ki dawai ki batikna ki badon kam na ke benta ke Jingpang krian ni jingshet ha ka nogo por bakadan ke National Center for Disease Control NCDC ke baha papok ketenat kokot kekhia jong ke Sarkar India kadang bot din baru ya ki nongpang respiratory bat seasonal influenza bat kadang ya kendu bat ki tenat trai kam jong ke perthai Kejing sapriang jong kejing pang penhiar mensiem ke Thymmai ha China kala penmi kejing tieng ya ke waipat kejing long ke belong kum ke COVID-19 ha keleng ke perthai Kari China ha kesengi balang kala banjur bakalaya sam ya kejing tep halor COVID-19 klem da bat AA hadin bejing batha na ke World Health Organization WHO
There has been news doing the rounds about a metapneumovirus outbreak in China. Let me be very clear on that count. Metapneumovirus is like any other respiratory virus which causes a common cold. And in the very old and the very young, it could cause flu-like symptoms. However, we have analyzed the data of the respiratory outbreaks within the country. There is no substantial increase in December 2024 data and no cases which have been reported in large numbers from any of our institutions. In any case, during winters, there is an increased outbreak of respiratory virus infections for which our hospitals are usually prepared with the necessary supplies and the necessary beds. One thing I would like to convey to the public is to take the general precautions that we use against all respiratory infections, which means in case somebody has cough and cold, he should avoid coming in contact with a lot number of people so that the infection does not spread. And while using a distinct hanky or towel for coughing and sneezing, and take the normal medicines that are required for cold or fever whenever it's there. Otherwise, nothing to be alarmed about the present situation.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya